How to fix Google Chrome 404 error. First of all, you will have to go ahead and open your Google Chrome, and from here you are going to tap on this top right corner, and from here head over to your Chrome settings. Now go on privacy and security. Here you will have to clear your browsing data. You can choose all time, and you can even choose your password and autofill as well, and then click on delete data. Once you do this, you can close this tab, and now what you're going to do is open your control panel on your PC, click on network and sharing, and then from here click on change adapter settings. It will open up a new window where you will have to go ahead and choose if you're connected to Ethernet, you are going to choose your Ethernet and right click on it, then click on the Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Now if you have to make sure that your settings is set to obtain an IP automatically, so you are not going to manually add the IP. Make sure it's set to automatic. You are going to do the same for your Wi-Fi. Click on properties and then make sure that this setting is the same. Click on properties, and right now it's set to automatically, so it's fine. Now after you do this, what you can do is lastly check for any updates on your device. Open search on the search bar, search for update, and check for updates. So it will open up your window and you can check for updates here. Once you do this, it will automatically check for any available updates, and if there are any updates available, you are going to update your PC. And after the update, you can simply restart your PC right here and click on restart, and then you're good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.